Hello and welcome to the video that demonstrates the proper way to fill out a few documents that are required for your Level 2 field work. And you can see I'm in Canvas at the Modules tab, and I'm going to scroll down. And if you take a look, there is a site visit form. I have a number of documents here. We're going to open up the AOTA Fieldwork Site Visit form. Now it's imperative that when you open this, that you keep this in a Word document format, modify it as a Word document. If you're an Apple user, make sure that you're not changing the format, because once you've submitted this to me on Canvas, I have to go in and modify certain fields. So the first page is all about an introduction, how this came from the AOTA. It aligns with the fieldwork domain, or the framework domain and process, 3rd edition. Now if we get down here to the second page, this is where you have to really start paying attention. As an OTAS, documentation is an important skill to develop for the purpose of data collection. This data collection is to maximize your fieldwork experience and future fieldwork placements. So what you tell me here helps me determine who to put back in that specific location a year from now, or even on the next rotation. As an OTAS, you need to electronically complete the yellow portions of the following document, and then you are going to upload that to Canvas. You don't email it to me. Upload it to Canvas. Now the blue areas are the areas that I will complete once I am doing your site visit. Now there's some important aspects here of this. So your student name, ID number. Now these black boxes, what you need to do is click inside there and type the date that you are completing this. Name of the facility. Again, click in the box. The name of your fieldwork educators, along with their credentials, a work phone number for me to reach them, and their email address. Now, your fieldwork educator is not to complete this form. You are to complete it. You may have to ask them for certain information, but again, you are to complete it. Come down here to the practice settings, click all that apply, the age groups that you're primarily going to be working with, and then the approximate staff numbers. I know that's going to vary from day to day, but just on average. This next section are the prerequisites. So did they want proof of your CPR, criminal background check? Did they have health requirements that they collected from you? Give me your approximate schedule for each week right here. Again, the blue areas I will fill out during the site visit. You do not need to complete them. Come down here to the interventions addressed in the settings. Again, click all that apply, method of interventions, and so on. So as you can see, this is a rather lengthy document. Do not expect to sit down and complete all of the requirements in 5 minutes. It will take you a little bit of time. You may have to ask for assistance from your fieldwork educator or educators for certain information. Again, keep this in Word document format when you submit it to me, because if it's a PDF or another type of format, it makes it hard for me to modify, and I just kick this back to you and have you redo it. So don't print it and fill it out by hand. Fill it out electronically. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.